A new COVID-19 variant is raising concern in India and could be 1.2 times more contagious than the Kraken variant. The new species, called Arcturus, has increased 13 times in the last month in the country. Arcturus, technically the XBB.1.16 subvariant of Omicron, has caused the Indian Health Ministry launch mock drills to see if hospitals are properly prepared to deal with a possible influx of COVID patients. Arcturus, one of more than 600 Omicron subvariants, was first spotted in January. It is monitored by the World Health Organization, and some officials state that it has some alarming mutations. The variant has also been detected in other countries, but most cases have been seen in India, where it has inherited other variants. Arcturus, Rajendram Rajanarayanan, MSc, PhD of the New York Institute of Technology. It has been reported in many U.S. states, including California, Washington, New Jersey, New York, Virginia, and Texas. It has been in circulation for several months. The World Health Organization's COVID-19 technical leader, we didn't see a change in severity in individuals or populations, but that's why we have these systems, Maria van Kerkhove said at a March 29 press conference. It has an additional mutation in the spike protein that shows potential increased pathogenicity as well as increased infectivity in laboratory studies, she added. The new species, called Arcturus, has increased 13 times in the past month in India. Van Kerkhove shared that there was no reported change in the severity of infections for the new strain. However, a study from University of Tokyo on biology research website BioArxiv suggested that Arcturus is 1.2 times more contagious than Kraken variant, writing that it will spread worldwide in near future. The scientists suggested that mutations of new variant could potentially increase the growth rate by making it harder for immune system to take over. New daily cases in India reached 3,108 on April 4, an increase of 242 from the previous month. They noted that there was no evidence that Arcturus had power to bypass protection from vaccines or antibodies from previous infections compared to Kraken, which was dominant species in UK at end of February. According to the Indian Ministry of Health, there were 40,215 active cases of COVID on April 12, an increase 3,122 in just one day. Figures from Our World in Data, run by Oxford University, show that new daily cases in India reached 3,108 on April 4, an increase of 242 from the previous month. According to India, some states have introduced masks in public for the first time in more than a year. The Indian state Kerala Health Minister on Saturday reinstated masks for pregnant women, the elderly and those with underlying health conditions.